Keto pizza rolls. Can they be done? I've done them in a previous video with keto fathead dough, but I'm going to try and use these Egglife wraps and let's see if it works. If y'all don't know what Egglife wraps are, that's what these are. All right, we're going to take some pepperoni, which this is more than likely dirty keto because you can't find a pepperoni that doesn't have something bad in it. I cut up about 15 of them into little, just willy-nilly pieces. And I shredded my own cheese because you can lose a whole carb because they have that anti-caking agent in there, which is usually potato starch. So that's bad. I'm just going to eyeball this. This is like a half a cup. There you go. And find yourself a pizza sauce. Rayo's has one, this one. And then also, I really like Mazzetta's, but I wasn't going to go to the store because I was lazy today. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this in there. Mix this right up. All right, I have a little bit of avocado oil in here. It's just heating up. Okay, I have 1 egg. You can do this before or after attempting to put the filling in. And we're going to add half of this. I'm just doing 2. Seems like a lot. Let's see. I'm going to wrap it up like an egg roll. That's how I did mine before. Do a little toothpick action. Do the other one. Okay, after about 40 seconds, it ain't happy. Okay, definitely need to stay in longer. I don't know how I'm going to do it. All right, about 2 minutes, easy peasy. Okay, this took me all about 5 minutes here, if that. Here's what they kind of look like on the inside. By the way, I used avocado oil, and that's pretty expensive to fry things with, so you might want to use coconut oil. Taste is there. It's not too crispy, so that's a little bit of the downside. The plus side is the taste is there. Man, I wish I put some green peppers in here. The good thing about these is that it took less than 5 minutes, other than the fathead dough, which takes some extra time. So it's more like a fluffy wrap. Let me try it without the sauce. Wow. Okay, this doesn't need dipping sauce. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy video. If you did, there's a great keto lasagna that I just did if you haven't watched it. Otherwise, I'll post another great dinner recipe down here. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.